What's up, Lash Fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. Lash Fam, it's been like a week since I posted uploaded actually a YouTube video, so I apologize you guys for the wait. This has been a video that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I finally got one on my hand. So usually, actually, I never do infills on anyone's work. I always just remove and do a new set. So this removal is a good one because it actually shows some damage and just a bad application. So I'm able to show you guys how I remove that. In the video you'll notice I don't use a cream or a remover at all. I just use my tweezers. My favorite method is either the banana peel or like the pop-off method. So I grab the natural lash and then the extension, and I pop the extension off. That is my favorite way to do a removal, and I will show you guys here in this video how I do that. In this video, this client came to me. She already had a set of lashes on. She said they were about 2 weeks in, and you can see in the video the poor application, and you can also see kind of a little bit of the damage and what happens when there is not proper isolation or someone does a very fast set. This is a good video because it will show you exactly the do's and the don'ts kind of what will happen, and you will also be able to see that if your application is bad like this, what you need to improve on. So if you have clients come in for fills and you see that your work looks like this, then there's a problem. Okay guys, so we want to make sure that we're doing clean isolation, and that's why isolation is so important, because without proper isolation, this is what will happen. Also, this happens if we do too fast of an application and the glue dries to another extension, and when we're moving too fast. So that's why I always say let the extension dry on the lash for a minute before letting that out of isolation. That way we avoid these kind of problems. Sometimes it's not that it's bad, that your application process is bad, it's that you're moving too fast. So we want to slow down a little bit and allow that glue to dry before we close that isolation, just to avoid this. Please ladies, if your sets look like this, you are doing a few things wrong, and we want to adjust and fix those things. We do not want clients walking around in discomfort or saying that they hurt, because when this happens, your lashes all grow at different stages. So each lash is usually in a different phase of the lash cycle. So have multiple lashes that are glued together, they're growing at a different rate. So you got to think they're pulling out the shorter ones because these longer ones are growing. So these shorter ones are getting pulled out. That causes discomfort for your clients. We want to avoid that at all costs. So proper isolation is key in lashing. We want to slow down a little bit and make sure that this isn't happening. At the end of each set, you should also be going in and making sure that none are stuck together before sealing up your clients and sending them off. That's just another kind of step just to make sure that you know that you don't have that problem. Okay, so let's jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my favorite removal process, I guess. This is how I do it. I kind of try to avoid using gel remover just because I don't like it. I think it's more of a mess, and I can do it better just like this. So this is how you do it. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I will be back with more videos, you guys. Dark Matter is coming out. You guys gotta get it, and I have some exciting news for you guys regarding that. So stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram because I'm always keeping up there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join our Lash family here. You guys, we're at almost 11.5k subs, so I love you guys. Before we jump into this video, Lash Fam, our lashes, you guys, I can't keep up with you guys. You guys, I love you. The lashes are doing so well. You guys are loving them. I'm loving your guys' sets. I love seeing your guys' work. Keep tagging me in your stuff. I'm loving everything. We did sell out of a few D-curls. Those will be back in stock in about 2 weeks. And like I said, I will keep the site stocked up for you guys. There still is a ton of lashes on the site. Sorry, my little baby. Come here, Luke. Remember my little pups, you guys? I showed you. Look at how big he is now. He's so growing. Lash Fam, I also have some super exciting news for you guys, but I'm not going to announce it yet, but just know that something exciting is coming to Lashes by Kins. When you do this, you want to make sure that you are very gentle, because you can hurt your client's eye. So the way you want to do it is you want to make sure that you grip the natural lash at the bottom when you do the pull-off method or the pop-off method. You want to make sure you use your isolation tweezers and grab that natural lash And then when you take your other tweezer, you want to pop it off, but you want to make sure you're holding tight to the natural lash with your isolation tweezer. That way you don't pull the natural lash. So the isolation tweezer is holding that natural lash in place. So when you pop it off, it's not pulling that natural lash anywhere, and then it doesn't cause any discomfort for your clients. So that's super important that we are making sure that there is no discomfort for our clients. But it is a good removal process, or just to kind of get you guys more comfortable with not using the gel remover or the cream removers. This is another way that you guys can also remove lashes, and it is safe for your clients, so I hope you guys love it. Love you guys. Let's jump in. fam, that concludes my removal process. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have used this process at all, or if you're going to, what you guys think about it. Pros and cons if you guys have tried it, what you guys think. As you know, this is my personal favorite, so I want to share with you guys how I do it. But if you guys have questions about it, let me know in the comments. Of course, I'll be down there commenting back, letting you guys know my feedback with your feedback. So super cool. Head over to our Instagram, join our Lash family, and I will see you guys soon. I promise I will be uploading more frequently. It has been a crazy week since I've been gone and not posting here. So I'm gonna get back on track, posting a lot more. I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon.